Okay, let me record this video before I'm gonna go outside, and I'm probably not gonna have time later on this day today to record the video. And even if I'm gonna have a time, let's imagine that I'm gonna come from a meeting today. I wanna have a meeting with guys together whom I'm building the startup. Recording this video at 11 p.m. or 12 a.m., tired and exhausted, and probably, when you do your dinner, eat your dinner, I don't know when I'm gonna come back from that meeting, maybe at 8 or 9 p.m. So I just want to say that, I won't probably be that motivated and, have energy at all to record the video. So, yeah. I think this is what you can, I hope, forgive because I'm recording this video before I have DM'd people today at all. And I'm being honest with you, I didn't DM'd people yesterday either. Yeah, I'm gonna probably upload a video today, inshallah. I recorded the meeting with that millionaire guy I had a meeting with, and I hope to upload a video today. I mean, tomorrow was a little complicated day. You can see me, I uploaded like a 2-minute long video for a reason. I recorded this video on the way to the gym. At gym, not only I got exhausted and tired physically, but also coming from gym to home, I didn't had anyone at home. My mom wasn't in here, so yeah. And when you came back from gym exhausted and tired, the last thing which you want to do is to prepare your meal. I had to prepare my meal. I prepared to eat, prepared to drink tea, and go outside for bread and do all these things. And I'm not even counting the fact that at the gym I forgot to bring with myself changing outfit, my sneakers for gym. I mean, I didn't forgot. I didn't pick them up together with myself because I had a, what do you call, system maybe when I see myself, if I'm being undisciplined, and I don't if I don't want to do something, I just simplify this thing to a certain degree that it's just gonna be so easy to do this thing that you can't say no, right? Just changing my outfit, just changing my, what you call, t-shirt, my jeans, my trousers into something I am gonna be already wearing at the gym, so I don't have to pick things with myself together, was something which made me just, okay, I'm gonna just take my phone and headphones with myself to the gym and just let's go. But it made a couple of problems to me. The owner of the gym didn't really like the fact that I didn't came with changing outfit and clothes, and he made me to wipe my trousers, my sneakers, because it was something I used to wear outside, so I had to clean my trousers in front of everyone. Like, there is a little hole, not a hole, but there's a little entrance, I can say, and I was sitting there cleaning my trousers while everyone was coming and getting out, and that was in front of a reception, and was really, not only I got tired physically, but also got tired mentally, because I had to get through this kind of shame of being in front of so many people. Everyone is bringing clothes with themselves, and you're sitting here, and yeah, whatever. Yeah, so that's why I actually had a plan to make a longer video than just 2 minutes, long video. I had a plan to come back from the gym, sit down and record the video because tomorrow was really interesting day. I have done a lot of things, but I just didn't have like any power. I just want to even eating was kind of like a thing which sucked at doing. Like I just didn't want to eat. I didn't want to prepare a meal. I just wanted to come back from gym to home and I just wanted to sleep. I wanted to forget about all this thing happened in the gym. I mean, going to the gym already sucked. I didn't want to go to the gym. I was already exhausted. I came from haircut. It was on the other side of the, city. And I made myself to get up. And I also got punished for going to the gym. And I came back from the gym and there is no meal prepared and there is nothing prepared at all. So yeah, it was a little hard day. But anyway, today we didn't DM to people yet, but there are certain things which I have accomplished already. I worked on my startup and we built another MVP so far. And I have a goal to meet with my guys, my friends, today at the co-working center, and it's free, surprise. At between 5:30 p.m. and 6 p.m. I'm gonna meet with the first one. We are like a team of 4 people. My fourth friend is in Russia, so I can meet him, but I can meet rest two rest of them. And I decided to meet them between 5:30 and 6:30 at the co-working space. And today it's right now when I'm recording this video, it's 4:30 p.m. I'm gonna go outside probably at like maybe 5, I guess, inshallah. Yeah, about something like that. And I have to search for some backend developers at that co-working space. And I also have to work on the startup together with my friends. And I think today is gonna be the day when we're gonna launch this product finally, because we created an MVP which works unstable a little bit. Like first time when you get on the app, it's slower than it's supposed to be. Sometimes it's API, the backend side, something goes wrong. Sometimes I had 2 issues with that, but mostly I can say not 90 but 80% of the time, if you download 10 videos, maybe you will have to make 12, 13, 14 requests to download these 10 videos. You might get 2 to 3, maybe 4 or 5 issues, but as I said, 70 to 80% of the time it works fine. So for an MVP, minimum viable product, it is good enough. Before, I think just 2 hours ago, maybe a couple of, I think it was at 11 a.m. I think, when I had a meeting with one of my friends, and we spent like an hour or something to rebuild the old version of our MVP. We changed the API to another one which is not supported by ads, which works more stable, but the 2 flaws are that it's really slow. It is, you have to wait, and also, what else is there? Yeah, there is a limitation up to 200 requests per day, so yeah, it works a little slow and it has limitation, but it is free for now. I think it's good enough. When we're gonna get our first donations or premium users for a tool, maybe $3, I don't know, we can afford to buy, I think, $5 or $10 subscription, which allows us to make up to, I think, hundreds of thousands or even millions of requests per day. And I hope, inshallah, it works faster than this version of the API. Yeah. So yeah, I did my programming classes. Actually, you know what? Let me show you. So I did my programming classes. I read the Quran, the not the Arabic but the translation of it. I worked on my startup. Yes, I didn't ticket it yet because I want to ticket later when I'm gonna meet the guys and actually work on this thing a little more. Um, I didn't DM'd people, and I didn't, worked on my agency for one day so far. Like I didn't work on my agency yesterday, and I don't know if I'm gonna have time today either, because because today is the day when we're gonna be launching our startup, and today is the like final sprint we are doing. We changed the API to another one. We are meeting each other together at co-working center, and so far from the functionality standpoint, it works. It can download MP3 from a YouTube video. Yeah, so far so good. It works. But there is design part of it, and there is a deployment and production part of it. We have to create another Vercel project. In fact, we have to change this thing from React project into Next.js. We have to compile it. I don't know how to do that, but 3 front-end developer guys, I think, and I hope we're gonna find a way out. After compiling it into Next.js, we have to deploy it into Vercel, and then after deploying it to Vercel, we have to take that link and actually before that we have to design this thing. It works from programming standpoint, but it has to work also for a user interface. And so far that's it. Later on we will buy a normal domain link, normal domain, for I think I have found one on GoDaddy for let me check it out. GoDaddy. What the heck? Okay, whatever. I think it's like maybe at max $10 a year or something. Yeah, $10 a year. It's like $1 a month, so it's not that much. Yeah, but we have to gain our first premium subscribers or donations. I have a goal to buy a $20 Vercel subscription, $20 maybe render.com subscription. Yeah, I have like big dreams about this startup which we're building, but also from my agency standpoint, I want to make this agency work also. So I don't know how I'm gonna make this thing, but I hope we will figure it out. So far, every attempt I made, this cold DM, hiring salespeople, it's not working. I don't know. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna give up. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna quit. It doesn't mean anything. I just have to learn a lesson which I didn't learn yet, and that's all it is, Yeah. I think I'm gonna see you later. Peace.